Hello my friends and welcome back to Homewood Spirit. This is your Vladimir speaking. I am back with another wooden tip which you can make at your home for your home. So because it's going to be Christmas really soon, I have made few decorations for my Christmas tree. Here they are. I have here a snowman, I have here star and two trees. If you are new to it, I would suggest you to go first with the trees because they are really easy. At the beginning I would avoid the star because I was quite struggling with it because all the arms of the star goes different directions and you really have to play with the grain. So as I said, for the beginning I would go with the tree. So here is the step-by-step guide how I made this little tree here. Enjoy! First I marked the shape of the tree to my block of timber and I cut it out with coping saw, which is ideal for this job. Rest of the block of timber will help me hold the tree while carving. I start on the top and slowly make my way to the stump. It should be really easy because I'm carving along the wood grain. When the top part is done, I use some stop cuts to establish the second floor. After that, I smoothen and finalize the top floor. Then I repeat the process with bottom floor by using stop cuts. Then comes smoothing and finalizing the middle floor. You can see here my left thumb helps me to push on the knife. Then I repeat the process again with bottom floor and I'm almost there. With the stump, it's pretty similar and the stop cuts will do the job for me. I really support planting trees, but unfortunately I have to cut this one down. No! I add few neat cuts at the stump and the carving is done. The oil will highlight the wooden grain and also protects the timber. I make a hole with punch for my drill bit, and when I drill through the tree, the wooden board will protect it from splitting. The last and easiest part is to tie up some colorful ribbon and it's ready for a Christmas tree. It was easy, right? I told you. I hope that they will gonna shine on your Christmas tree same like they will shine on my Christmas tree. And I just want to add that when I made them, I was feeling really relaxed and I kind of got into this Christmas atmosphere. I was imagining how they hang on the Christmas tree, how they shine there, and I got really excited about Christmas. So I hope you will get the same feelings one day, and I wish you Merry Christmas. See you next time.